Yan nga ginawa ko eh. O, baba, ha? Sleep na ikaw.
Hintayin mo mapusing siya doon sa pupusing.
He won't sleep until he finds the right position for him. Look. Look what he's doing. Too much. Nay.
Ang nasa kamay ngayon ng NBI ay yung nag-drive ng truck kung saan isinakay ang bago kasi hindi naman
Look at that. He's sleepy now. He can. Look at that. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Sleep na baby. Sleep na. Yeah, he's sleepy na talaga. He's too much sleepy na. Bah! Look at what he's doing. Kanina he was on the other side of the foam. Daud! 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 Look at what he's doing! Mahulog ikaw! Shwada. Sleepy na kasi. Look ah. Very taba na. He's very taba na. He's very tired na. But he won't sleep. Chap? Chap? Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Look at what he's doing. Look at the puwet. Nah. May baka nasasaktan siya sa kamay niya. He can crawl naman properly na eh, but just doing that. Rolling, rolling, rolling all over your foam. He's too sleepy na, but he just won't sleep because he's very makulit, baby. They'll cry na because he's sleepy na.